One company just became the fourth largest Ethereum holder on the planet, and nobody's talking about what this means for your crypto. Bitmain just expanded its Ethereum treasury to 4.87 million ETH. That's 4% of the entire Ethereum supply. And their total holdings? 11.8 billion. Let that sink in. One single company now controls more Ethereum than most countries' crypto reserves. Here's what's actually happening. Bitmain is positioning itself as an institutional powerhouse in crypto. While most retail investors are panic selling or chasing meme coins, they're quietly accumulating one of the most valuable assets in blockchain. Why does this matter? Because concentration of wealth at this scale changes everything. When one entity holds 4% of a network's supply, they don't just own tokens, they own influence. They own voting power on protocol upgrades. They own the ability to move markets with a single transaction. Look at the numbers, 11.8 billion in holdings across Bitmain's portfolio. That's not retail money. That's institutional conviction. That's a bet that Ethereum and blockchain is the future of finance. But here's the real story, this is a signal. When megacorporations start hoarding crypto assets at this scale, it means institutional adoption isn't coming, it's already here. It's happening in the shadows, away from the hype cycle. The crypto market has been waiting for institutional money. Well, it's here. But it's not buying Bitcoin at 30K or Ethereum at 2K. It's buying when prices are higher, when the narrative is shifting from speculation to infrastructure. What does this mean for you? Simple, the game is changing from retail versus institutions to institutional versus institutional. The days of small investors outrunning big money are over. Bitmain's move shows us that the smart money isn't trading crypto, they're accumulating it. They're building positions so large that they become unmovable assets on corporate balance sheets. This is the real reason why crypto matters now. It's not about getting rich quick anymore. It's about wealth restructuring at a global scale. Bitmain holding 4% of Ethereum isn't just a headline, it's a confirmation that institutional players see blockchain as the future of value storage and transfer. The question now is, are you going to watch from the sidelines, or are you going to understand what's actually happening in crypto? Follow for more deep dives into what the institutions are actually doing, not what mainstream media is telling you about crypto.